through stuff and throwing stuff away. So yesterday we got the inside of the truck cleaned out. So today we're working on getting the back of the truck cleaned out and throwing away any junk. We're gonna try to get the back of this cleaned out and maybe get any junk on there threw away. And so we'll get our garbage pile together and then we'll start organizing everything. So y'all keep it locked and let's get it. We got most of the trash about the floor. It's 10. Nothing is on this truck or in this truck now but parts that we're gonna use for it. Old core support. Don't take it to the scrap yard. I just got this sitting here till I take all my scrap metal down there. That's going. Got the inside cleaned out. Nothing but what's staying is in there. Everything on this table is stuff that we keeping. So we gotta organize. We're going to pick up a cabinet tomorrow to keep all our chemicals in. So that'll be good. Pegboard, gonna go on the back of the workbench. We got a TV mount, so we can mount the TV. I think the TV like a 47 or 50, something like that. That's nothing super crazy. Yeah. We're gonna organize that. We're gonna 360 this in this whole weekend. So y'all keep it locked. And yeah. Oh, I forgot. We're gonna do the fast tracks. So we're gonna have something to hang all the brooms, rakes, shovels, not lawnmower, leaf blowers, weed eaters. Yeah. Got some vehicle dollies. I was gonna get the more expensive ones, but I done seen some people say good stuff about these, so I said we'll try them out. We'll give them a shot. I mean, they can't be no worse than the wood dollies that I was using. I mean, cause I was actually using the wood dollies. Those right there, I was using those, and they work pretty good. Only thing with those, I gotta be gentle with them as far as like letting stuff down on them. When I let the truck down on them the last time, I cracked one. But before I did that, they were working flawlessly. So as long as you're not outside in the weather with them, and you know you got fairly smooth concrete, them wood dollies work very good. Yeah, y'all. So we got a lot going on. We're gonna try to 360 this garage over the weekend. Ain't no try. We gon' 360 this garage over the weekend. So let me give y'all a good view of it, what it look like now, and then we'll. All right, y'all. So we got everything out of the garage. We gotta hang ladder. What else? The weed eater, leaf blowers, water hose. We gotta hang up this post hole digger, the rake, the scraper. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The stuff we gotta hang on the wall. We just got this cart today. We went thrifting this morning and yard selling. We're gonna use this for storing paint. So spray paint and stuff like that, we're gonna use that for this. So we'll be able to get all the paint off the side of the tool cart like that and off of the table. And it all going here. What else? Oh yeah, and we just got these new dollies from Harbor Freight. None super fancy, fairly cheap. I think they're reasonably priced. Uh, I mean, they worked all right to get it out of the garage to here. They roll very good in the garage because it's the texture of the concrete in there is smooth. This right here is a little bit more coarse, but it still rolled on it. So if y'all were thinking about getting some of them from Harbor Freight, go ahead and get them. I feel like they are definitely a good investment if you're working on cars and stuff. You need stuff to move around or this or whatnot like that. What else? Oh yeah, we're gonna hang the TV. So we got the mount to hang the TV in the garage. Know if y'all can see that right there. Got that from Harbor Freight as well. I don't think I'm liking that pegboard. I think it's gonna look good once we got everything hanging on it. That's it. So I'm gonna go in here and start cleaning, sweeping the floor so it can mop. We're gonna paint the walls where the baseboard and the walls meet. We're gonna paint this seam, and by the end of this video, y'all gonna see this garage transformed and organized and clean. And if I had to say, maybe like 85-90% complete. So y'all keep it locked and we'll be right back. Messed up, y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna let y'all see what I did here. I I bought a flashlight last night and don't know where it's at. I got one though. Go out here. So what we did, you probably can see my little holes where I was, where I was marking where my studs start and stop it. And so I did that, and I just eyeballed it to be in the middle, and I ran my first screw through, and I used that to be able to pivot. And I took my level and laid my level up there until it was like that. And then I ran another screw in, and you probably can see where I marked it again. So I'm in the middle of the stud and the wall. So now I go through and finish putting the screws in at every stud. Let's see. So it's another one to go right here. I got that one in, I gotta put the other one in, then this one on the end fall right in the middle also. So I run all these screws in, and this one to be mounted. So it's fairly quick. It's a fairly quick install. You don't need a level that's this big. You can get one that's a whole lot smaller than this to do this. But yeah, that's what we got. So we're gonna finish putting them up. And we'll let y'all see the finished product when we finish. We'll be back. Next day, we still at it. The garage coming together. It's definitely taking a lot longer than I thought it was gonna take. But today, we will finish. Stand on that. So y'all, we're gonna put this side folding tray on the tool cart so we'll have somewhere to put stuff on the side when we work and just give us a little bit more working space. But just like the cart, this piece right here is pretty good too. So I commend Harbor Freight on this cart for real. They did their thing. But we're gonna get this installed. Alright, y'all. We done with the garage. We got it a whole lot organized than what it was. So this chair and that's gonna get moved. But all the stuff for the truck is on the truck or in the truck. We got rid of all the excess of junk that we weren't using or planned on using and only got what we're gonna use. We got the rack organized. We got the rims for the S10. We got some of our chemicals down there. We got our car washing supplies. And we got like just a lot of miscellaneous stuff. And we gotta have Rome toys in here. He think this garage is his playpen. We got the cherry picker in here now. And shout out to my wife co-worker who was selling, or that child was selling the 5-gallon buckets of laundry detergent. Who was selling these 5-gallon buckets of laundry detergent. That's gonna come in handy. Toolbox. We added this right here on the side. Nothing really changed with it. We got the pegboard added and the TV. Pegboard and TV. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. Drop down in the comments. I'm gonna open the door. Yeah. Welding. Got a little cabinet. We got this thrifting over the weekend. Already coming in handy. And we got the Rubbermaid fast track rails. Got them installed last night. I'm very satisfied with them. Definitely gonna be installing some more. And we got some more in there. Pressure washing, shop vac. And that's about all we did in here. We got us a little scrap pile over there. Probably gonna be getting rid of that table. And that's my gas pressure washer. I gotta put a carburetor on it, but I ain't give it 20 bucks for it. It run though. So let me see, give y'all a span of the garage. Y'all let me know what y'all think. What I need to improve on, or what y'all wanna see next. We got the garage to a point where we can work out of it, I feel like. Well, I know. We can start working up out of here now, so it's time to get active. But that's it, y'all. I ain't really intend for this video to be really long. It was just a garage organization. And what we did, we added the pegboard, we added a TV, because it's not a shop unless you got a TV, in my opinion. Got all this stuff was in the toolbox. So now having this stuff out of the toolbox, that frees up space in the toolbox that can have Like I can start having it organized. Then I got big tool set, dead blow. Probably gonna add something to this drawer soon. Miscellaneous, stud finders, some loose screwdrivers, rotary tool, excuse me. Got some wrenches. Nothing super fancy. That's what we got, y'all. I feel like I missed something. Oh yeah, got these wheel dollies from Harbor Freight. They roll pretty good on smooth texture concrete. I won't complain for what I paid for. Y'all, that's all we got. Thank y'all for tuning in to the channel, seeing what we've done. I'll let y'all just get a look at it. I went to Lowe's and got this pegboard. It was 30 bucks. Bought some 1x1s. And I just mounted it to the table and built me a little frame for it. Which it ain't overly sturdy. Got a little flimsy to it. But for the stuff that it's holding, it ain't, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can obviously tell it ain't leaning forward either. So, got our drivers over here. Probably gonna buy a drill holder to hold them. But these little Harbor Freight drivers, impact drivers, the truth. Anybody tell you that, they lying. You gotta get the big boy battery. You get that big boy battery or bigger, I'm telling you. For real. This one right here, it do alright. As long as you ain't doing nothing heavy. You doing something that's heavy, it gonna drain it really quick. Cause I thought these things weren't worth the crap at first. And then when I bought a new battery for me doing heavier projects, bigger projects, that right there stood up to the test. So I was like, yeah. So y'all, that's all we got. Thank y'all for tuning in to CMR Performance YouTube channel. Please like, comment, subscribe. Tell somebody and tell them to tell somebody to come tune into the channel. And I thank y'all for watching. And until next time.